This is Pioneer's DMH-2600NEX. This is an in-dash audio-video digital media receiver with a 6.8-inch capacitive glass touchscreen. The DMH-2600NEX works with Apple CarPlay and Apple HomeKit when connected to a compatible iPhone using a wired connection through USB. The DMH-2600NEX works with Android Auto and Google Home when connected to a compatible Android phone with a wired connection through USB. The DMH-2600NEX also works with Amazon Alexa when using the Pioneer Vocis app and connected to a compatible phone with a wired connection through USB. The DMH-2600NEX has 3 sets of Rca outputs for operating external amplifiers and is backup camera ready and Sirius XM ready. The USB port can be used to connect your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music and MP4 videos. The system features built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, let's pop this thing open. Come on now. There it is. All right, the first thing we have here is the wire harness. So we'll use the wire harness here to make all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to the vehicle. And those connections include power and ground and speakers. Anything like that happens through the wire harness. Next up, we have a handful of install screws here. There's a couple install screws. Then we have the Bluetooth microphone. So the Bluetooth microphone here is used for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. It typically mounts up in the headliner, maybe somewhere near the driver. Comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for a very flexible installation. Then we have the USB extension. So the USB extension here is because the USB port is on the back of this receiver, and so we include a USB extension in the box so you can bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. Next up, we have the quick start guide. There's the quick start guide. And please remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual for this product in PDF form right onto your cell phone from pioneerelectronics.com. There's a little information about making Amazon Alexa work with this product. And then we have the warranty card. All right, let's pull the receiver up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the DMH-2600NEX has a simple layout. All of the control buttons are built into the capacitive glass touchscreen right here. The volume control is here. And the home key and display keys are here. This is the voice activation key. The capacitive glass touchscreen measures 7 inches diagonal with a 6.8-inch video playback area. And please note, the DMH-2600NEX is a digital media receiver and does not have a CD and DVD player. The back panel of the DMH-2600NEX starts off with 2 black plugs right up here. The Bluetooth microphone included with the product used for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls will plug in right here. And this jack can be used to operate your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. You'll use this port for the optional SXV300 tuner from Sirius XM. This port can be used with the iDataLink Maestro RR OEM integration unit. Here is the USB port that can be used for Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or Amazon Alexa. The USB port can also be used for music, movies, and still images through a USB flash drive. And remember, we include a USB extension in the box to bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. Next is the audio and video auxiliary input. This is where you'll plug in the power and ground wire harness connected to the vehicle. The Pioneer DMH-2600NEX has a built-in amplifier that's designed to operate with up to 4 speakers in your vehicle. On the other side, we start off with 3 sets of 4-volt Rca outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and subwoofer output, or for more control and better sound quality, high, mid, and low output. Here is the audio and video RCA input and RCA video output. And the brown jack here is the dedicated backup camera input designed to be used with Pioneer's ND-BC8 backup camera. And finally, the AM/FM radio antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. And that is Pioneer's DMH-2600NEX and what's in the box.